SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to check the iOS version on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to know the iOS version on your iPhone, either out of curiosity or because you're trying to troubleshoot something and you need that information, then you can locate your iPhone's iOS version by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option, and then you can choose About at the top of this screen. Now here you're going to see a little item here called iOS version, and the number to the right of that is the current iOS version that's on your phone. If you tap on that button, then you can see some additional information about that version. If you want to check whether or not there's an iOS version update available, then you can go back to the main General menu, and then you should see an option called Software Update underneath the About option that we went into before. If you tap on Software Update, then that's going to load a screen, and if you have an iOS version available, you can choose to update now or update tonight. You can also select the automatic updates option if you want to turn those on or off, and then adjust the different settings here. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic, and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.